guys, welcome to episode 3. It's really sunny and
we thought we'd start it in the sunshine this time.
And Luke's out here cooking, barbecuing, CBQing.
I'm hanging out on the boat, having some local beers.
It's a good day. I'm gonna go see if I can make some seal friends again. They're out on the dock, and last time we spooked them because Luke went wide out in the open and made himself visible instead of sneaking. So I'm gonna try sneaking this time, see if I can get up closer. So I hope my tactic works. Brought one of our TVs down from our trailer to put in the boat, and the cord is short by like 2 inches, so Luke made me go up to the trailer to get a stupid extension cord so we can watch TV. So are you like 10 out of 10 excited?
Yeah. That's gonna be sweet.
You're such a nerd.
It's gonna be sweet ass sweet. Okay, so I'm still working on a few boat projects that I've already started, and one of them was this nav station that had a few broken bits and a few things that I don't think I need, and this giant radio was mounted on top of the counter right here. I'm trying to relocate it right here, so I'm gonna extend this counter like that, and then I'll be able to mount that big radio underneath it. And I just went and found some trim for it, so it'll kind of match these, except it won't be teak. I found some mahogany that'll work, and I know that, you know, it'll be cutting into the space of the quarter berth, but I don't really think there's gonna be a lot of people using this quarter berth because it's going to be full of storage.
Sturdy?
Yeah.
Nice. We still haven't moved on to the boat yet because we can't figure out how to get the fridge working.
We had it accidentally working once, and then it shut off.
And we didn't know how or why it shut off. So, yeah, before we actually move on, it would be nice to be able to have a working fridge.
Hello.
Hi, is this Gary?
Yes.
This is Luke Swindon. We bought Reaction from you not long ago.
Yes.
Had a question for you.
Okay.
I accidentally turned the fridge on once, and then it turned off, and now I can't make it turn on again.
You're talking about the 12-volt fridge.
I believe so.
That switch by the stairs is for the compressor in the fridge.
Yeah, I found that, and I traced that wire back, and it went to the compressor on the bottom of the engine. So I figured that piece out, but I can't figure out how to turn on the.
Just take the knob that's on it and turn it from the away from the off position up 9 inches to around about 4.
There's a knob?
So if you look at the left of the stove, on the bulkhead that's there,
Yeah.
right in the corner, there's a little control box there.
Oh, let's have a look.
The rotating knob on that.
Oh.
Turn it in the off position, off the off position. Like I said, I used to run it before, and that would freeze the bottom and leave the top part as a fridge.
Well, that helps. Oh yeah, thanks for your help.
Yeah, the other questions can be yelled.
I will, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hey, there's a switch. Who knew there was a big dial right in the kitchen that we didn't look at?
How did we not? How did
go
we not
5.
see that?
I saw it. I just didn't know what it was. I hadn't, spent time to be like, hey, what's that? Now we know.
I don't know. Oh, electric fridge and a
Electric fridge. That's the electric because we're hooked up to shore power, so we can use that to do the fridge
Right.
while we're on power.
Right.
If you're not, then when you run the engine, there's like a big AC pump looking thing there, and that's the compressor
But it's.
for the other type of fridge.
But
Same box.
Oh, okay. I was like, there's another fridge in here?
No, 2 different cooling systems for the same fridge.
Oh. That makes sense.
That's a good thing.
Yeah. I'm excited. We have a fridge!
And maybe hot water.
Aren't you not allowed to say that we have that?
Why?
Insurance purposes.
No one's gonna tell. Right?
Unless there's someone from an insurance office watching our show.
Well, they can forgive us. We don't even know how to work it.
We have a lot of really awesome people in the marina where we live who are helping us learn things about our boat and just boats in general, what we need to do for maintenance and stuff like that. There's a couple of keepers.
Anyways, yeah, that's that. So you're gonna do board, we just want to oil it, and it. Yeah, because
There you go.
Yeah, the screwdriver.
I need it!
I just need to see it.
Oh,
balls.
Well, I certainly can't do anything about your dignity, but if we're
Go on, my ass is hanging out up here.
You can have that. No! How long?
Like a second.
Oh, fine. Give it back! Come on!
they were actually really good.
Grab that back to me. Okay, it's been longer than a second.
How much?
A lot of seconds. Oh, thanks. So kind. Bye. Number 2 of 4. What is it glued to, actually? I will lose my mind. Any moment now. My forearms. Oh my god. Yes. Oh, yes! I win!
You didn't wreck it.
I didn't even wreck it. I'm pretty much awesome.
How did you do that?
Stupid shelf. Winner. I win. Yes, look at that. Ooh, that's yucky.
Got some cleaning now?
It's actually like a decent sized fridge, but
It's really hard to use it.
really hard to use. Like, just like the way to like actually reach in. I feel so incredibly awkward with my head like stuffed under whatever this is. Yeah. Holy crap, you scared me.
Cheers, man.
Then why are we? You were having a relationship with what you were making, you know, I realized
Beer for reward.
legislate for romantic what keeps you at home. Here's your own business. Ask me this.
Stephanie trying to light the stove for the first time. We've never done it before.
This is a good day. We're figuring things out,
We'll see how it goes.
which means we're gonna move on soon. So keep watching.
All right, go.
So I made this beautiful spread.
Mmm, num num num.
Zoom in on that shit. Look at that. It's kind of become like really good. It's just a favorite. It's so Easy.
Where's the hummus?
Tasty. It's in the fridge.
Okay.
Getting cold because we got our fridge working. And now I want to heat up the pita because I want pita to dip with our tzatziki. And I don't know how to turn the oven on. Isn't there like a pilot?
She didn't turn on the propane.
Oh shit! I got to. Oh, I got to.
I tried to sneak it.
Ah! It's so loud.
Dang it, I was gonna let you do that for a while and pick.
So.
You didn't even turn the propane on.
Well, I'm not used to this, okay? I am. Oh.
Oh.
Bake or broil, I'm guessing that's what that
Ooh.
means. I'm not a cook or a baker, so
Are you a broiler?
I'm a broiler. Oh, yes, I am, because I freaking love grilled cheese. No, not grilled cheese. Tuna melts. And that's the only thing that I ever broil. How do you turn this bitch on? Oh, does it just... Oh, sparky. Why isn't it going? Holy shnikey! I felt that.
Do it again.
I don't want to get my eyebrows blown off.
Didn't do it that time.
Oh, I'm scared. Why isn't it going? Holy cow.
That was awesome.
What do I do now?
Good. Oh, you turned it off.
Oh, it just... Oh, frick. Okay, I get it. Oh, that's so dope.
Oh.
What?
That's cool.
It looks like a solar panel, but with fire.
Yeah, fire panel.
That is super cool. Oh my
Shiny in
gosh.
there.
It's kind of mesmerizing. I
How
just
about
want to
that?
stare at it. Oh my god! Yep. Pita. Crispy pita coming out. I just wanted to show this because I can't get over how cool it is. I don't know if you can see me right now, but I just woke up. It's about 5 in the morning, and it is crazy out there. It's crazy windy and rolly. Anyways, I'm gonna try to go back to sleep. Good night. I'm quite tired. I tried to go back to sleep after I got up at 5. And it didn't work. It was so noisy and rolly and stuff, so I'm a little tired looking today, and it's still quite rolly. Big change to the usual calmness. It's usually nice and glassy in the morning, but not today. Anyways, off to work. There's a bunch of screaming otters or dying cats or something over there.
Something horrible.
Horrible.
Trying to film.
This looks so disgusting.
What?
It's just like
Oh, he's looking at you. Don't eat me.
I need a napkin. Cover up his face.
Here.
Ew.
Cover him up with his own skins.
Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. If you want more of us, like, subscribe, and share.
Link's up there somewhere.
If you want more up to date, in the now moments, go to our Instagram. There will be a link or something on the screen as well.